Namaste everyone. Let us suppose from a particular date like this, if you want to know a certain date after 1 month, 2 months, 3 months or any number of months, then you could be utilizing this formula which I have written in this yellow ribbon. Note down these two arguments. You need a starting date and number of months. So let us finish out this table. Okay, here are the number of dates I have selected, and I want to get a particular date after 1 month, 2 months and 3 months respectively. So let's type Edate. Okay, then I will be selecting this starting date, and months I will be choosing 1. So you can see guys, I have got this number. Now what does this number represents? Because it represents a particular date that need to be formatted into a date format. So for that I will be selecting this one whole. Okay, and now go to format cells. Fine. Go to date option, and here you can choose your favorite format. So let us say we can choose like something like this one. Okay, in the similar format. So you can see guys, after 1 month the date will be 7th of April 2022. So in the same way we can drag this formula. Okay, so we got the answer. So you can see it is 6th June here. We got a date 6th July. It is adding 30 days guys. It is 2nd May and it is 2nd July. Now of course here we can utilize this formula again. Starting date will be this one, and I want to know the date after 2 months exactly. So you can see 7th May. Drag it down. Similarly, move on, Edate. Starting date will be this one. After 3 months, I want to calculate exact date. Fine. And you can see the expected results. So I can broaden this one from here so that it will display the correct date. Now, you can see guys how simply this formula works. But if suppose you want to know about the particular date after some number of days, let us say I want to know a date after this date, let us say 15 days. Okay, now I will be simply selecting this one and adding 15 to it. Fine, you can see I got the date. So in this way you can get any number of it. I want to know the date after 1 year, that is 365 days. So let us say this one. I want to know what date will be after 1 year. Of course it will be the expected result. So 365. So that is exactly the difference of 1 year, you can see. So I hope you understood this simple formula guys. If you are feeling that my videos are helpful in getting you to the concepts of Excel clearly and simply step by step, then you can appreciate me with a thumbs up, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.